Back off to the water. We just beat that little cruise. So now we off to conquer more falls.
There she go, there she go, there she go. Oh yeah, yeah.
It's kind of cool. I don't know. Go down. Oh, wow, it's a lot of people here. I'm shooting for the first time with Eric today. Instagram at BlueStar24. I'll put it ad down there. We followed each other on Instagram. I see this work and let's see that. Excuse my tan line from Hawaii. Oh my god. About to create magic or something close to. Oh, it is kind of strong today. Say this kind of strong today.
It is real strong, yeah.
Know just what you're doing now. Baby, now we can close. Let's close. Let's close. Let's not get in a hurry. No, that's too slow. Didn't put that thing in my
On the move. On the move we are. More calmer down here though, guys.
stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Fame's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. I'm saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we
Of course, I forgot to take an outro, so per usual, the shoot is a wrap. It was fun. Like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down. Tell your sister, my baby, my cousin Tracy about my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm laughing with kindly to do us. Remember, stay grateful, stay thankful, stay blessed.